This video is all about the 5 municipalities comprising the province of Guimaras. The province of Guimaras is a part of Region 6 or Western Visayas, which can be found in the Visayas Island group. Western Visayas is composed of 6 provinces, namely the province of Aklan, the province of Antique, the province of Capiz, province of Guimaras, the province of Iloilo, and the province of Negros Occidental. The regional center for Western Visayas or Region 6 is Iloilo City in the province of Iloilo. The provincial capital of the province of Guimaras is the municipality of 𝗲𝗏𝗏. We have here on the picture is the provincial capital of the province of Guimaras. The 5 municipalities comprising the province of Guimaras are the municipality of Buena Vista, Municipality of 𝗲𝗏𝗏, Municipality of Nueva Valencia, Municipality of San Lorenzo, and the Municipality of 𝗖𝗎𝗓𝗓. So here are the 5 municipalities comprising the province of Guimaras. The first one is the Municipality of Buena Vista. The second one is the Municipality of 𝗲𝗏𝗏. The third one is the Municipality of Nueva Valencia. The fourth one is the Municipality of San Lorenzo and the Municipality of 𝗖𝗎𝗓𝗓. And that's all for the different municipalities comprising the province of Guimaras. If you learned something new, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.